So welcome to another session. So where we understand the opportunities for digital marketing within our country as well as abroad, and also understand the growth projection. Now, see, in our previous sessions, we have understood why digital marketing is important, and what is the role of AI in digital marketing, and the digital marketing buzz as well. And so within the future sessions also, we'll be discussing about the digital marketing campaigns, so digital marketing objectives. So we'll talk about a lot of things. But before that, so let's also understand what are the opportunities for digital marketers within our country, abroad, and also understand the growth projection. So it is a rapidly growing field in India and abroad, obviously. So with the rise of internet, so where the faster the internet is spreading to each and every corner of the world, so digital marketing is also spreading there. The reason, so with because it has got a lot of opportunities for both individuals as well as businesses. So within our country, so digital marketing industry is expected to reach around 160 billion US dollars by 2025. It's a big number, according to the report by Internet and Mobile Association. Remember these. So these numbers are just a projectile. These are not accurate, but the actual rate might surpass this number as well. So as of now, so they have mentioned that by 2025, so it would be 160 billion, right? So now, so this number was predicted, as per my understanding, by 2030 or 2035. But because of the COVID, because of the launch of Geo, because of the all the OTTs, all the smartphone brands coming to India, so more and more people started like using smartphones, and as well as after the demonetization part. So I think we discussed that as well, right? So now, so because of some such kind of events will actually like move the digital landscape, so move people onto the digital landscape much faster. So right now, so when was the last time? So you have gone to a movie within a movie theater. But did it the frequency of you regularly watching movies within the theater? So did it reduce or did it grow? Obviously, it is reduced for most of them. So people are preferring to watch movies on OTT. And so not only OTT, like the IPL, for example, or any popular movie. So people are preferring that all those to watch on their smartphone, on their laptop, or on their smart TV, not the generic TV, not the regular TV. So this number might actually like surpass so much faster. So we heading to 2023, 2024. So might be like possible within a particular year. We are already there in 2023. Now, so this growth is driven by increasing internet penetration, the rise of social media, and growing adoption of e-commerce. So e-commerce. So what are the popular brands within our country? So where you can name only a couple of them, or let's say let's write a list of them. So you might hardly write a list of 5 or 10. But do you know there are much smaller, upcoming, and trending e-commerce companies within our country where they generate a 1 million rupee per day for their business. Just imagine so this is again like the early days of Flipkart within our country, the early days of Amazon as well, right? The growing adoption of e-commerce, and people are selling them on Insta even not without having an e-commerce website. So that smart people have become, and there are many job opportunities in digital marketing in India. So whereas social media management, so search engine optimization, pay-per-click, content creation, and digital analytics. So not only these, if I talk about, and again, like we have got something like mobile marketing, right? So which includes like SMS as well as WhatsApp marketing combined, where we also have got email marketing, where we have got the requirement of digital marketing consultants. So companies are growing, more companies want their brand to be on the internet, obviously. So it is a very good time. So if you learn digital marketing, the chances of you getting placed or getting a job within the digital marketing industry so are much higher. And the growth of the digital marketing industry has also led to the emergence of many startups in India that specialize in digital marketing services. So first thing is job. Second thing, so there are many people so who learn digital marketing or who are already there within the digital marketing industry since a while now, because these many companies, they are actually looking at promoting their products or services. They are also So rather than hiring a complete inbound or in-house team, now they are outsourcing their services, whatever the service the digital marketing needs, to an agency. There are many startups within this network, within this industry as well, right? And in terms of abroad opportunities, yeah, so this is something, so a few of you might be like eagerly waiting for, right? Many Indian digital agencies and freelancers also provide services to client outside India. See, you might be looking for an opportunity. So for example, Canada can be a heaven for digital marketers, because I mean they so the process of getting there, as well as the companies over there, are growing rapidly. So I'm not saying the United States is that bad or United Kingdom is that bad, but right now, so Canada is welcoming lot many people, and whereas US also, like, yeah, you got scope. So if you can find the right client or the company, so it is not that hard for you to get there for the purpose of your digital marketing. It is nowhere less than any top software program. So now most of us, I mean, within our country as well as like within your peers, might be having this kind of feeling, or so this is a kind of a myth. The software people, I mean, have got a better chance to find a job abroad, or find a opportunity like as a consultant or through a company abroad. No, not really. So other than software, I mean, there are many other programs like where you can get into a job abroad, and digital marketing is leading that pack right now. And also you can also become a freelancer. So I have been a freelancer. I have worked on more than like 50 clients so far within my 8 years tenure. So I have been into freelancing from the very first year. Like, so at that point of time, it was very hard for me to like convince and talk to a client. So because back then not many people had this kind of awareness um, about the online platforms. But now, so it is comparatively easy. But the hard part is now it is again like, so the other side. I mean, it is some sort of competitor. But once you build the authority, build your brand, so now it is not at all hard. So you can, or anyone can actually uh, clock somewhere around 2 to 3 lakh rupee per month easily by offering their freelancing services, and also providing services to clients outside India as well. So this is also the fun part. And as more businesses around the world recognize the importance of digital marketing, the demand for skilled digital marketers is also increasing. So I would like to underline and highlight the word skilled. See, by learning digital marketing, so now few people ask me this question. So can I learn digital marketing on YouTube? So why should I actually opt for your program? Why should I opt for one particular institution? See, the point is you can learn anything on the internet. Not at all a big deal. You can learn anything on the internet, but one serious ingredient is missing. What is that? Not one. I mean, I've named two properly. One is structured learning and in-depth analysis. First part. And the second part is trainer expertise. So why would someone share their expertise absolutely free of cost? So is it just to grow their channel subscribers, or just to grow their views? I'm damn sure, like, you might have come across uh, thousands of YouTube thumbnails, literally misleading. So when you read the thumbnail and when you click on it, the content is a complete contrast. The same, like, I mean, if someone is actually pitching like how to make $5,000 a day, $5,000 a week, or $10,000 a week, or something like this, right? Or $10,000 your very first month. First, do not believe that. There may be systems, but again, to reach there, so you can't reach it in the first week. You can make money in the very first week using digital marketing, but again, the point is, so you can't do it in the very first week. So this is what I just wanted to mention. So, so two things, like what is that? The first thing is structured learning and in-depth analysis. The second one is trainer expertise, a person who has worked practically on all the digital marketing aspects, worked with multiple companies. So if you're working in a company, definitely like you might get some expertise, but having your own freelance or agency experience will add to it. Being a one-man army, so will teach you a lot than working for an organization, so where you are just being guided to do one particular activity, right? So that is one thing. And recognize importance of digital marketing and skilled digital marketers. So this is why we have been discussing these two pointers. So you should not be a digital marketer. You should not also be a skilled digital marketer. But so after this training program, so I'm sure like you will be an AI powered as well as skilled digital marketer. Now, so overall, digital marketing is industry is expected to continue growing in India and abroad with many opportunities for individuals and businesses to succeed. Yeah, this is the time. So if this is not, then when? This is the time. This is the time. So where you can further scale up your business, scale up your freelancing career, or if you are looking for any kind of like a good or a great job opportunity, so this is the time. Thank you.